Hello friends, let's talk about my predictions for NVIDIA and Forex. Let's see how they're doing, and let's also see what's the most likely outcome in the next few days. So today is the 14th of November, so basically Thursday, and tomorrow is going to be the last day of the market of the week. You guys know Friday, so we only have one day left for the week. And so far, the behavior of NVIDIA is like 100% accurate regarding my predictions. Every single day, every single circle, every single movement and trends, they all have been panning out exactly as I expected. So for example, we have that in the last few days, in the last past days, we had two consecutive red days, two consecutive corrections. This was, of course, a possibility right here, as you can see in this red circle. We have 13 and 14, and this is basically the day of the 13th of November. You can see this is a straight correction all the way down, non-stop, but today was behaving more like a yellow day. We see that the price goes up and then goes down, and when it goes down it never stops until the day closes. So if it were to close maybe not that down, then it will certainly be a yellow day, but because it's a very inferior position regarding the starting one, we can clearly say that this was a red day. Like I was saying, this was of course predicted, this was to be expected. Now we see that, for example, on the next day, which is 15th of November, there's a possibility of an impulse. This is part of this other circle right here, which has 14 or 15 of November. So obviously we didn't have a green 14, but it was not entirely red. You can see that there were some movements on the uptrend, unlike yesterday, but still it didn't really get a green day today. So there's a possibility of tomorrow being a green day. It's not a big possibility, but there's a possibility. In my opinion, if it doesn't go in an uptrend day, in a clear uptrend day, it's going to be more like a yellow day, where the price just basically does either nothing or lots of volatility, where the price just ends on a very similar position to where it ends. Okay, that's the possible outlook. Now for the next week, this week, the week that's coming is really one of the ones that worry me the most, because we have potentially way more red days than green days. We have entering that week on Monday 18 and possibly 19 of November on the red. That day, 19th of November, is going to be very, very volatile, because it's shared by this opposite circle with opposite energies. So there's a possibility of a very volatile day on the 19th. Following that, we have possibly an uptrend for the 20, but again corrections for the 21 and possibly 22. So we have, out of these 5 days of the next week, we have potentially 4 red days and only potentially 2 green days. So it's kinda, that alone kinda already tells me that it's going to be a red week, possibly. I'm not saying it's with 100% certainty, because one of these uptrends could make up for the fact that we could have only one green circle, but we will have to see. And an indicator of how it's going to be on that week is going to be tomorrow. If it's going to be a very solid and powerful green day, there's a possibility of the corrections here either not being that worse or maybe even not appearing at all. So there's that. And finally, the last week is going to be kind of a mix of both energies. I think we have potential, especially on the last 5 days, on the last 3 days, something like that, of the month, possibly uptrends, right? This is a pattern that is very powerful. Very rare we get green last circles. In this case, we got it for NVIDIA. So it's a very it's likely that it's going to be not only an uptrend month, but especially the last days are going to be either relaxed or all of them on the uptrend. So that's basically the outlook for NVIDIA. You guys know that my predictions are extremely accurate. I'm so far having such a great time, and especially such massive profits doing crypto predictions. My Bitcoin charts, my Solana charts, I'm the only one who called them breaking their all-time high at the exact dates that it did. And that's like I was saying, I am the only one who did that. I'm the only one who can do that. I have the exact dates. Extreme accuracy, guys. Extreme accuracy, as always. Okay, so the next chart, obviously, is going to be the Forex one. Before I begin covering the Forex prediction, I just want to invite you all to subscribe, share, and like. And, follow my videos, guys. Comment, give me your comments. Okay, so again, very, very interesting Forex chart. I'm liking this very much, extremely. It's giving me some profits, very good profits. I think this is one of the pairs that is almost like guaranteed you to give you some very nice profits, because there's a deep history between the relation of the American and Japanese economy. There's a really deep lore behind that. I can go hours and hours detailing what the specifications of the relationship are, but this is not the video for that. Anyways, regardless, we have, for example, that today and yesterday were part of this green circle. We have 13 or 14 of November. So alternative days, and we got the best case scenario, which is consecutive green days for yesterday and today. So massive gains for these 2 days. There was a chance of extreme volatility on yesterday, the 13th of November, and that's exactly what we saw. For example, so this is where the day begins, and right off the bat, in the few hours, like the first 6-7 hours, the price just plummets, absolutely goes down, and it looked like it was going to be a correction. But then this massive volatility all the way up, shooting straight to the heaven, and we see that it recovers, and not only recovers but continues going higher, and finishes way higher than the initial position. That's a very solid, that's a very volatile trend for that day. Now that was to be expected, guys, because remember what I told you in my first video. Seeing how this Forex pair is behaving, I see basically no range at all. So the only thing that we can expect is extreme volatility on the yellow days. Now this was not a yellow day, but as you all know, and if you don't know already, you need to check my other videos so you can get that information. Whenever we have this pattern, it is very almost guaranteed for volatility. And when you have that in mind and apply that to this Forex pair, where there's only volatility and there's basically no range, then it's just guaranteed volatility. And that's massive profits right here. Now we could see possibly on the 15th of November, another very volatile day. I think depending on what does, it could go downwards. It could be a correction that day. The reason why is because the next circle is literally a red circle. So we have on the 17th Sunday, it's possibly a correction. So whatever happens tomorrow is going to very likely draw a trend that will continue to develop the next market day, which is Sunday. After that, we have possibly some impulses on the 18th and possibly on the 19th of November, with again another strong signal of a very volatile 19th of November is shared by these two opposite circle energies. So you have to keep that in mind. Possibly very good day for scalping, very likely. And after that, I mean, you just have yellow days, we have green days, some red days. I'll update this as we go by. There's really no need for me to do this. If you want that information, just go to my very first video, which is the one where I detail every single circle, every single pattern for the month. Everything so far, I have nailed it, like so accurate, so precise. No one else has this. But anyways, guys, that's all I want to share with you. Again, just want to remind you all to subscribe, share, and like, and I invite you to especially watch my crypto predictions, guys. I'm having a lot of people really freaked out by my accuracy on my X account, on my socials, on YouTube. So check them out, and I'll see you next time. Take care.